See, hear the noise?
Yeah, of course it's a dog. But do you?
It's a small dog.
Yeah, small one, Chihuahua. So they're supposed to bark. So ngayon guys, bumalik kami ng Caitalampe. Today is June 29. So this time you might be able to see Big Boy swimming in the lake.
Oh,
That's what he said. That's what he said earlier before we came here. So we will see about that. Hey Big Boy, can you say hi to our beloved audience? So ayun. Tapos babalik kami dun sa same spot kung saan kami lumangoy kasi dun less people. Actually walang tao. So mas maganda lumangoy dun kasi walang katao-tao. So kami lang. That's where we are going now. Hopefully walang taong naka-occupy dun this time. You can even swim here if you want. And we are people also. Remote place for us. So dun kami pupunta sa dating same spot. We're going there. So ngayon ay June 29, Saturday, alas 4. It's 4 p.m. already. So, but still, the sun still high up in the sky. So medyo nabisi lang kami these past few days, kaya walang masyadong video na upload kasi busy sa work. Tapos may dala tayong snacks. So as you can see, Big Boy he's leading the way. And for us to get there, we need to climb up through the forest. It's a long way up, but we can manage. We did it the last time.
Why would someone want to see monkey? Let's see. How do you know? Oh yeah, there are people.
That's our spot.
Really? Hold it there, I want to check. Hold.
Take a video of me. Enjoying the fire.
Look like you're dying. What do you mean enjoying? You just stand there and just take a picture. Why you need to do your recording?
Stop.
Stop what? You're not doing anything. You just changing position.
Get to the point.
Stop. No, enough.
It's a camera.
It's okay. It's waterproof.
It's not.